Hope you are going well. I am just explaining you how you can or how we can solve the error of unable to view store on mobile or desktop version. Okay, so let's get started. So the error, what's the how the error came up of the unable to view store on mobile or desktop? If the thing is, the error came up for if the product landing page URL and Google Merchant Center or data source URL is not matched, then the error came up in Google Merchant Center. I'm explaining you again how the error came up in Google Merchant Center. The thing is, if the products URL in Google Merchant Center and the landing pages URL of the website didn't match, then the error came up of the unable to view or unavailable mobile or desktop landing page. Okay, so how we can fix this error? The main thing is how we can fix this error to activate the product, right? So the first step is we need to match Google Merchant Center that affected products URL in Google Merchant Center, as well as you are using XML feed for data source from CTX feed. So we need to match Google Merchant Center affected products URL and this same products URL of the XML file. Okay, so first what we need to do, we need to check the Google Merchant Center product URL as well as the same products URL in the XML file. Okay, so let's check the URL first. So here we are saying that this let's say this is an example product I am showing you for explaining the things. Okay, so here is the product, and this product URL we can see that shopifest.com/product/support the telephone portable Por Moto V2. So as you know that this .com is shopifest.com is a domain. This is product is a path or collection, and the other thing is for, which means support the telephone portable Por Moto V2 is a title, this product title, right? Here is the title. So according to the product title, the URL generated from the website in Google Merchant Center, which is syncing via Google shopping plugin or CTX feed or any other plugin. Okay, as you are using XML feed, we need to go with the method I am explaining. I had applied for the last 3 product of your store to fix them. So the error came up for mismatch the product URL in Google Merchant Center as well as the XML feed file. Okay, so let's match it right now. So this is the product URL we can see in Google Merchant Center, and if I copy the ID of this product to check on the XML file, let's paste it. Yeah, here is this product, right? Okay, so here we can see that this is a title. We need to match link first, right? Landing page URL. This is landing page URL. Okay, so the URL is shopifest.com/product/support the telephone portable Por Moto. We can see a Moto here on the last word, but in the Merchant Center we saw that there have another word which is V2 after Moto before slash, right? So it's very clear, we can understand that this URL and the XML feed file or data source URL of this product is not matched. So this is a main problem or main issue to appear the problem or appear the issue of unable to view store on unable to view the product in Google, right? Okay, so this is first thing. We need to match the product URL or landing page URL in XML feed or XML file, and as well as in Google Merchant Center. Okay, so this is the first thing. Second thing is we need to match the product title with in Google Merchant Center with XML file. Okay, so let's match it. So as we are seeing that the product title here, we can see that support to telephone portable for Moto V2. Okay, that's good. So let's check it on the feed file here, data source file. Here is the title, and the title is support the telephone portable for Moto. Here we can see the last word is Moto, but as we can see here, the last word is V2. Okay, so this one also mismatch with the data source of the XML file. Okay, so we find out two problem or two issue, two mismatch issue, which is one is the title and another is the product page URL or landing page URL, right? So we need to fix them first. So the thing is how we can fix this issue, or how we can update this page URL, product page URL, right? So there have two methods to update this URL. One is if you have you can go to the backend of the website, and you need to go into the plugin, which plugin you are using for the data source or Google Shopping feed. Another method is we need to change product data in Google Merchant Center manually. Okay, so as you are using XML feed file, we don't have, let's say I don't have any permission to update or edit this XML file, right? As you are using CTX feed, and I don't have access of this CTX feed. But without access the CTX feed, I had fixed the last 3 product error in Google Merchant Center, you remember. So the method is we need to match this product mismatched data, or we need to update or edit this XML files data in Google Merchant Center. So what I am saying that we need to edit this mismatched data in Google Merchant Center according to that exactly that same product's data which is containing in XML file. Okay, so the product title here we can see this one, so we need to copy from XML file. This is the XML file, right? Here ctxfeed.xml you are using in your Google Merchant Center. I'm here to showing the whole thing. So how we can fix this issue? First of all, we need to update this title as well as this landing page, right? So we need to, so that we can match that mismatched data with this XML file. So what we need to do, we need to, first of all, we need to copy the product title, the affected product title from XML file, and we need to go to Merchant Center, click on edit product. This is pretty simple, but need to know the exact way, or need to find out the problem first, right? So here we can see the every product data here. So what we did, we copied from title, we copied title from here on the XML file, and we need to update here. We need to paste here on Google Merchant Center. Okay, paste it. So what next we need to do, we need to copy the landing page URL or product page URL from here, right? So what is the URL? Here is HTTPS from the last is slash. So copy from here, go on the Merchant Center again, and then we need to paste it perfectly. Okay, so as we're seeing that there here don't have v2 and here don't have v2 as well. Okay, So what we need to do next, simple, we need to click on save. Okay, this is the this is the first or this is the one way or one method to fix this error of unavailable or unable to view store, unable to view product on the website or Google. Okay, this is a one method. After some time it will be updated by Google's API. Okay, this is the main thing we need to fix this error by according to the XML file data. But the thing is, if you are not using XML file, let's say you are using content API, or you are using CSV file, or you are using Google Sheet file for the data source or product feed, then what we will need to do, we will need to do another, we will need to apply another method to fix this error. As you are using XML file for data source or product feed for your Google Merchant Center, then that's why we need to go with this way I am shown you here. Okay, this is one method. And here I have another method for regarding the XML file. What is this? The thing is, if you have access of the CTX feed or another feed plugin, then you need to go there on that plugin, and there you can see the every product data, and there you can update it the product data according to that plugin. Okay, but as I don't have access of this CTX feed, then what I need to do, or what we can do, we can update the product data in Google Merchant Center according the XML files product data. Okay, okay. So the final thing is, must be, we need to do update the product data source. Okay, what I'm saying, of course we will need to update the data source. Okay, so where we can do that, uh, from the product section, click on the view data source. You can go on data source from here, or we can go on data source from another section. We can go on the click on the settings, and from here we can also go on the data sources, which is we can call product feed. Okay, here we can see the CTX feed existing here. So what we need to do after updating or editing product in Google Merchant Center, after editing any product in Google Merchant Center, especially I am talking about the XML file or file source. Okay, so after edit any product data or any product information in Google Merchant Center, after click on save, we need to update it from here manually. Okay, so as we already updated or edited another one product data, then of course we need to click on the update. Okay, so after it will update, Google automatically takes the updated the edited product data according to the XML file. Okay, so this is the thing actually we need to do to fix the error of unable to view store on the desktop or mobile. Okay, so yeah, this is the thing. If you don't understand what I'm saying here, then you can ask me anytime. I will assist you again to knowing you exactly what we need to do. No problem here at all. Okay, so yeah, this is the thing. After some time it will update it automatically here. So a minute ago here have a error, and right now the error has gone because we already updated it. Okay, so yeah, this is the thing. Thank you so much for your time, and hope you will be able to fix your problem regarding the method I have shown here to you. Thanks.